Gala Television Awards. We've already had the Film Awards in May, and it's just one of the funnest nights of the year because everybody comes out to support each other and to make sure that we put Ireland on the map, which it is, and the spotlight is being shone on us internationally. It's fantastic.
We've been 12 years going the Academy, and this is the first year that we've been able to split out the ceremonies, and tonight we focus singularly on television.
First time. I'm not used to this kind of, I was just saying before, I'm quite nervous coming down here, answering all the questions. It's kind of little Hollywood, isn't it? But I love the movies and stuff like that, and it'll be great to come along here and maybe see some of the familiar faces. I've always been a great fan of Irish movies and Irish television, so that's, you know, it's a buzz for me.
Yeah, this is a really exciting night for me. I'm based in London, so it's always nice to come back to Dublin and see my friends here. Darren Kennedy's with me for tonight, but I'm presenting in the sports category with Brent. So 4 great nominations. I'm a big fan of Conor McGregor and his programme Notorious, so if he won, that would be a good thing.
Oh, I love the red carpet. It's my home, and it's lovely to be honouring Irish talent and of course Irish broadcasting, so fantastic. And I really think that the gongs mean a lot more to people than we even realise.
We're very flattered that we've been asked here to present an award, and it's already a fantastic event. We're really looking forward to it.
It feels amazing, although I am a little bit nervous, I'm not going to lie. This year has gone so quickly. I can't believe it. I'm so proud of everybody.
So Baz, how does it feel to be nominated for an IFTA Television Gala award tonight?
It's the best accolade you can get in Ireland, so it's humbling, and it's very flattering, and it's very exciting, you know.
So Melda, how does it feel to be nominated for an IFTA Television Gala award tonight?
Absolutely great, feels fantastic to have Irish music and bands represented on a TV show. I think it's about time, and I'm really glad that it's a show that I'm involved in.
Brendan, how does it feel to be awarded a Lifetime Award tonight?
Well, first of all, I don't feel that I've had a lifetime yet, but also to get recognised by the Academy is fantastic, because it's people in the Academy who do what we do, who know what it takes to get the success that Mrs. Brown has had, and it's taken us 25 years. So I think it feels like a pat on the back from the Academy for staying with it, for not giving up, and hopefully that's what it's meant to be.